Age is just a number.
Yeah.
And as long as you don't let it weigh on you, you're
Yeah.
fine. Sushma ji had said, 45 days में मुझे 300 pieces of art from all over India कर लेंगी. I said कर लूँगी.
And one airport that you loved doing?
Ayodhya.
Ayodhya, of course.
When Modi ji came, he stopped and he looked at everyone and he said, यहाँ selfie बनती है.
Wow. हाय, मेरा नाम है दिव्या और एक बार एक ब्रांड न्यू एडिशन में एक ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड में आपका स्वागत है. दिस वंस गोना बी रियली डिफरेंट. डिटॉक्स ना बेसिकली दिव्या टॉकिंग है और मुझे ऐसा लगता है आप किसी से बात करो तो कुछ लेकर जाओ. आज मेरे साथ जो मेरी मेहमान हैं उनसे मैं तो बहुत लेकर जाऊंगी. एंड आई एम श्योर व्हेन यू वॉच दिस इंटरव्यू, व्हेन यू वॉच दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन, यू हैव सो मच टू लर्न एंड टेक होम फ्रॉम. और शायद नेक्स्ट टाइम इंडिया की कुछ ऐसी जगहों पे आप पैर रखो, वहाँ पर आपको याद आए कि हाँ ये कॉन्वर्सेशन हुई थी. डॉक्टर मासूमा रिजवी मेरे साथ. मैं ना लिख कर लाई हूँ एंटरप्रेन्योर, आर्टिस्ट, ऑथर, आर्ट क्रिटिक, an amazing woman, and she's been smiling अब जब से मिले. मैम, thank you for gracing the studio and thank you for joining in.
Thank you for inviting me. It's always a pleasure to meet young girls like you doing well.
I like the bit where she says young. इसको हम ट्रेलर में भी रखेंगे. But young at heart always, you know, I think when you do things that you really love, when you do things the way you want to do it, मुझे लगता है वो आप खुश रहते हो. I think.
Age is just a number.
Yeah.
And as long as you don't let it weigh on you, you're
Yeah.
fine.
We're good. Dr. Rizvi, you know, इतनी चीज़ें आपसे पूछने के लिए. One, I love your name to start from. I love the sari you're wearing. We were talking about how important sari as a subject is, और आप art, culture से इतने सालों से जुड़े हुए हो. Before we talk about the work, let me ask you a question since you spoke about sari. Your favorite sari और वो कहाँ से आई थी?
My favoritist thing I will tell you is we had gone for a shoot for Vogue in Mumbai. And when I went there, there was this Jimmy Choo and this and that, and they were all tracks. And the designer of the set was telling me, "Ma'am, what will you wear?" And I said, "Show me the blouses." There was nothing of the blouse. It was just a piece.
Huh.
And then there were these beautiful saris from the top designers of India and the world.
Right.
And I said, I'm not wearing them. And my daughter was like nudging me, and I'm like, I'm not wearing them, I've got my sari. So they said, okay, you're in the center spread of Vogue, and if you don't wear a fancy blouse, we will have to put you in a smaller place. I said, I didn't ask to come here.
Right.
I will wear what I will wear, and if I'm here because of the skin I'll show or my body, I don't want to be here. I'm here because of the quality of my work.
Yes.
But I understand your requirements. You can put me where you want, you cannot put me. So I take out my sari. My sari cost 250 rupees. And I still, these are woven by the weavers.
Yeah.
So there is this woman in Vijayawada, half blind. And she weaves these saris.
Wow.
And I wear a lot of them because two things. I advertise for her.
Yeah.
And I also love the fact that she got burnt for dowry. She didn't let it deter her.
Right.
And she started weaving with another woman. And those, so I go and buy saris from actual weavers. When I did the Deen Dayal Hastakala Kendra in Banaras, I met more weavers. Now when I've done Gwalior, I've met Chanderi weavers. So all my saris come from weavers. I wore my sari, I wore this typical blouse that I wear, felt very happy with myself, and I think I looked great.
I think you look great. I think it is so inspiring, but that's a fact, right? आप art पे इतना काम करते हो and we've seen your work. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ इंटरव्यू के लिए, but the point is you bring in art. We talk about, छोटे से इंट्रो में मैम ने बाहर मेरी टीम को बताया कि भैया ऐसा है कि मेक इन इंडिया, लोकल फॉर लोकल, दो चीज़ें इंपॉर्टेंट हैं और वो प्रमोट होना चाहिए. आई थिंक सारी का एक एक पीस, एक एक कतरा एग्जैक्टली वही है. मैम पीछे चलते हैं, बिफोर वी कम टू नाउ. वैसे 4-5 साल में 4 आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने इनॉग्रेट किए हैं. बट गोइंग बैक से 30-35 ईयर्स पीछे, व्हेन यू वर जस्ट स्टार्टिंग, ये दिन सोचे थे दे वुड बी अ डे और दिस इज वेयर यू वुड बी?
No. Growing up, I knew that I wanted to beautify spaces. I knew that I would do something interesting.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was architecture. See, your generation is very fortunate. You have Google Auntie. You have internet. We had nothing. When I started off, I was like literally going through a maze of what I wanted to do and being told constantly that listen, you're a very good student, so
Yeah.
you must do science. Arts तो वो करते हैं
जिनके नंबर नहीं आते
नंबर नहीं आते.
We've been there.
And I said, I want to be an artist. And like, kya? No way. Nobody in our family is an artist. They are IITians.
Yeah.
क्या है? क्या करोगी? सारे Ivy League वाले लोग हैं. All my cousins are Ivy League.
Yeah.
So there was this pressure, and then my grandmother who brought me up, she looked at me and she smiled, and she sat me by the side, and she said, जो I'll translate it in Hindi, जो मन कहे वो करो, पर एक चीज पकड़ ली उसको छोड़ना नहीं.
सही बात है.
So I didn't know, but I knew I would do something which would beautify spaces.
Yeah.
That was all I knew.
And she's been beautifying the best of the places which have history, which have culture, nationally, internationally. मैम आपका फेवरेट मोमेंट, अब हम आपकी जर्नी के बारे में जानते हैं. आई विल स्टिल गो बैक बाद में, बट over these years, you know, there have been places like the airports, you work with the airport authority, you worked with IIT, you worked with the new parliament, the Rashtrapati Bhavan, जहाँ हम अभी हाल फिलहाल एक वीडियो करके आए हैं. A moment that is the closest to your heart. I'm sure there would be rich stories everywhere, but एक वो होता है ना एक point की that gives you that happiness every time you think about it.
Very often, my children have told me that इतना करती हो, लोग इतना करते हैं और इतना बनाते हैं, इतना करते हो इतना भी नहीं बनाते हो. And I'm like, I'm not doing it for log, I'm doing it for me.
Wow. Yeah.
And when I do it for me, it will happen, not happen. How does it matter? What does the Gita teach you? I always say it is a lifestyle book.
Yeah.
It's not religion. Don't mix it with religion.
Yeah.
It is a lifestyle book which tells you, do your work, let the rest happen.
Yeah.
There is no anxiety, there is peace. So this used to be a constant. When I worked with Abdul Kalam ji, there are so many stories. When I worked with Pratibha Patil ji, there are so many stories.
Yeah.
But the Pravasi Bharatiya Kendra or the Sushma Swaraj Bhavan was being inaugurated.
Huh.
I had done it in 45 days. Sushma ji had said, 45 days में मुझे 300 pieces of art from all over India कर लेंगी. I said कर लूँगी. She too didn't believe it, but I did, and the inauguration came. They had asked me to give my Aadhaar for a proximity for Modi ji. I was so busy adjusting my boats and my I forgot. So without a proximity, you can't brief Modi ji.
Yeah.
So one day earlier, I was called and said, "What have you done?" Her PS or whoever called me, I still remember. I think Sati ji, somebody. आपने भेजा नहीं. I said, "Oh my God, I forgot." She was so gracious. I got an invite.
Wow.
So I took my daughter and went. And my daughter always felt कि मम्मा यार काम करते हो, चुपचाप कोने में बैठ जाते हो, 20 लोग खड़े होके बोलते हैं हमने करा है. I said ठीक है यार, उन्हें खुशी मिल रही है. Not taking away from me.
Yeah.
And once we went, now why am I digressing? You'll come to know. Once we went, I was the chief guest.
Wow.
In a college. Ignis निकाली, ड्राइवर आए नहीं थे. I can drive only an Ignis. पहुंचे, गेट पे ड्राइव, गेट वाले ने रोक लिया पहले तो. बोला साइड से जाके पार्किंग करो.
हाँ.
पार्क करा. उतर के जा रहे हैं. अब वो बच्चे लाइन से खड़े हैं. मेरा पोस्टर वहां लगा हुआ है. अंदर गए. मैम साइड से चलो. ठीक, साइड से चल के अंदर गए. अब आई एम गोइंग आगे बिकॉज आई नो डाइस पे मेरा नाम है. साइड से आगे बैठ जाओ. बेटी भी चल रही है. मैं जाके आगे टेबल पे बैठ गई. तो एक लड़की, मैम व्हाई यू सिटिंग हियर? दिस इज नॉट द प्लेस. डोंट माइंड हाँ, गो सिट ऑन द थर्ड रो. ठीक है. सना फ्यूरियस. शी इज लाइक, व्हाट इज दिस मम्मा? I keep telling you, if you're too nice, people will never give you credit. This is the background for a lot of projects. Now back to प्रवासी भारती केंद्र. स्टेज पर बैठे हैं पूरे मिनिस्टर्स,
Yeah.
सुषमा जी, मोदी जी. It's full, and it was streamed live all over the world in all the embassies of India. Sushma ji comes on to the mic and she starts off. This was my dream, blah blah blah, 4 lines. And 5th line she says, और मेरी जो आशा थी, her Hindi is much better than mine, उसको सवारा और पूरा करा वो यहाँ बैठी हैं मासूमा जी.
Wow.
And she had told her people that the focus will go on her.
When I talk. Yeah.
And I'm like blushing and I'm like so embarrassed because, and they're like, get up. So I'm standing there. And I went right in the face. I was embarrassed. I was like, oh my God. And then I sit down and she says, मैं उनका नमन or whatever, like I'm grateful to her. She said in Hindi. And then I looked at my daughter and she looked at me and said, Mom, you're right.
Yeah.
If you really work with your heart, you always get credit for what you do. So that moment, I realized that my family understood and appreciate how I am and what I do and why I do it. And they learned a very important life lesson, which I really want all of you to understand. You will get your due.
Yeah.
It might be late in coming.
But yeah, coming to Bellita, वो कैसे हुआ point?
Bellita happened, it was very funny. I had gone to this person and I was very young and I said I have a degree and I would like to try to do this. They had put out an ad in the paper.
Yeah.
And I said, I can design this club for you and I can do a great job. It was a very prestigious Wellington club.
Right.
So I spent 4 weeks working. We had a dining table on which there was no AutoCAD, there was no computer. Manually, रात भर बच्चों को reading कराई because that was very important for me. सुलाया 8 बजे से I would be working and my husband would be like, yaar, do you even realize that it's not going to work? I said, my mantra is nothing is impossible. Because in impossible also, if you read carefully, it is impossible.
Yeah. Yeah.
So nothing is impossible. He said, then you'll cry. I said, yeah. I give myself 1 day to wallow in self-pity.
I like it. And why not?
And why not?
Yeah.
And then I went. So, well, to cut a long story short, when I sat there were 4 other architects, very, prim, proper, three people with them. Somebody carrying the briefcase, the files, which I hate. Carry your own stuff, please. Anyway. And I'm sitting there in my tracks with a hoodie because there was no time to change because there was last minute work to be done. And when my turn came, the girl came and told me, आप जाओ, 3 का है, उसमें से एक select कर लेंगे. I had a choice, give up
and leave
or fight for my right. You hear me, you see what I do and then don't select me. I'm fine.
Yeah.
So I said, I'm not going. I need to be heard because I have really slogged for 3 weeks and I might be the best of all of them.
Yeah.
So the guy came from inside and he laughed in my face and said, really? I don't have time. I said, sir, you should have made time. Or you should have called me. He was very annoyed. पीछे से चेयरमैन आए उनके क्लब के. Must be 75, a retired bureaucrat who was there. Hats off to him. He looked at me. He said, बहुत मेहनत करी. I said, sir, बहुत मेहनत करी है. बच्चों को सुला के फिर कभी तो रात भर सोई नहीं हो. He said, give her a chance. We went in and सब हो गया. He said, yeah, she will do it.
Wow.
अब इट वॉज अ गवर्नमेंट थिंग. अब आई कि भाई यहाँ प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर होता है. कंपनी का नाम क्या है, टर्नओवर क्या है,
हाँ.
कुछ भी नहीं.
फिर
सो आई सेड कुछ भी नहीं है. सो देन आई वेंट to another architect who got the project. I said, can I work with you? I'll give you my drawings. But you have to put me on that junior architect wala thing. He said, okay. He took all my drawings. And then I told my husband, I'm going to make something and I cannot work like this. That is how Bellita happened. It happened out of sheer necessity.
because you had to do your paperwork for a project. Wow. And then rest is history, or now basically she's dealing with history every day. Long journey, ma'am. How many years now? 20 years? 22 years?
No, 2000 and officially the company was formed in 2007. I've been working from 97.
कितनी कहानियाँ निकलती होंगी ना, कितनी चीज़ें होंगी. ओके, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द वर्क बिकॉज मैं चाहती हूँ लोगों को पता चले. यू डेल्ट विद द एयरपोर्ट्स, राष्ट्रपति भवन, सो मेनी मोर प्लेसेस इंटरनेशनली ऑल्सो. एक जगह जहाँ पे आपको काम करके बहुत अच्छा लगा है, where you know you want to go back, और फिर वापस आके सोचते हो काश ये मैंने थोड़ा अलग कर दिया होता. One place that keeps that bubbling.
That is China.
China.
I did. There is a White Horse Temple in China, in Luoyang,
Yeah.
where they have given all the Buddhist countries land
Huh.
to make their own little, I won't say a temple, but kind of a temple. So a lot of Southeast Asian countries are there, and you know, we are also there. So we've done like a stupa architecture. तो जब सुषमा जी ने बोला कि नहीं यहाँ पे तो आर्ट होना है.
हाँ.
So then again you go through, you know, planning, then your design has to be approved, then it is all that happens. Okay, happened. Then 382 pieces of artwork, 25 feet of bronze statues, and we had this little, I don't know whether, yeah, I think I can say it now, was that, see, Buddhism started in India.
Yeah.
But everybody else claims ownership of it. So we wanted to bring it back to us. So we were sent. They loved my artwork. So I decided that every art form of India to be showcased in Buddha's life.
Wow. All right.
So we go to Luoyang. Now the diplomats are with me. So I'm like, I'm just doing the art. So I'm sitting aram se. Then they look at me and say, brief. Now the religion minister is a very important minister in China.
अच्छा.
And I'm told brief. And I'm lit. That was the only time I worked with presidents, I worked with CMs, I worked with everyone. But that was the time my heart sank.
Yeah.
Because if he doesn't believe that we are impartial, we are doing the right thing, the project will fall.
Yeah.
So the responsibility of that. And I start my brief because I show the birth of Prince Siddhartha, his marriage in a typical Hindu ceremony, though it was before, because I'm trying to
Yeah.
get it back to us.
Yeah.
And I'm so scared. So the brief went on for 2 hours because you brief, then it translates, then it
Yeah.
then he will ask a question, and I'm literally shaking in my boots. Finally, it was over, and I'm sitting, and I have an iconic photograph of the Luoyang monk holding an umbrella when it was raining, and I said, "Let's dance in the rain," and he danced with me.
Really?
Yes. So, anyways, he said, "Okay,
Do it.
artwork is okay." So it has always been my regret. And I'm telling you, like in life, a thing which is 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, if you don't prepare,
Yeah.
you can't give it your best shot. That day, there was a chance that such a beautiful project would have been scrapped because I hadn't prepared that what if they tell me. I have never forgotten that lesson.
Wow.
I never go without at least 2-3 hours of. Sometimes my children, they were here and my children would be, but you know everything. I said, no. I don't know that person's mind who will question me.
Yeah.
And what perspective, what angle he is coming from.
Yeah.
So let me quickly go through. So preparation,
Is very important.
very important.
I think detox lesson number 1 or probably the foremost lesson हमें यहाँ बोला जाता है और जिंदगी में भी probably we're not prepared for everything in life but we should be prepared for whatever we're doing.
See,
थोड़ी
we
बहुत.
can't be prepared for life.
Yeah, yeah,
That
yeah.
we have to take it as it comes.
As it comes, but yeah.
But we have to be prepared when we are going in for something,
Yeah.
you know, where you know that, okay, you're going, it can, you could be asked.
Yeah, absolutely.
I prepare, like when we did the Supreme Court of India, the Apughar building, I was called and I was said that please, this has stalled, come on to the panel and do it.
Yeah.
Because in Supreme Court, nothing is done singularly.
Yeah.
Nobody used to come on that panel. So people said, oh, be careful. Oh, I said, see, you can't be scared and achieve anything in life.
Yeah.
You have to go forward. You can't be prepared that, oh, this will happen or that will happen.
Yeah.
You have to just do, give it your best. But prepare for that best.
Yeah.
So that's what I mean when I say you. That day, I came back and I didn't sleep the whole night. And I told myself that never again. There is nothing small or big.
Yeah.
You have to prepare.
And I'm sure there is a lot of preparation behind every project that you take up. Like if I ask you, मैम airports हैं for example, हर जगह का अलग है. मतलब हम जब जाते हैं as a visitor I can say वहाँ पे उनका local culture भी दिखता है. वहाँ पे कुछ international appeal भी होती है. What is in your mind and one airport that you loved doing?
Ayodhya.
Ayodhya of course. अच्छा प्रेशर उसका प्रेशर भी अलग होगा because you know the entire world is looking at Ayodhya right now.
And Ayodhya was unique. See, when you're working with the government,
Yeah.
आपके thoughts हैं,
Yeah.
आपके ideas हैं, फिर people sensibilities हैं,
Yeah.
फिर political sensibilities हैं. But राष्ट्रपति भवन prepared me for it.
हाँ.
And अयोध्या में तो ये हुआ कि योगी जी was also in the forefront.
हाँ.
The Honorable Chief Minister. He was also like, Didi, ye. Then the Aviation Minister, Sindhya sir,
Yeah.
has a very refined sense of art, I have to say this. Very refined and very open to ideas. Then the airport authorities,
Yeah.
the hierarchy, they also, then the bureaucrat there, see, I have a healthy respect for them because they understand
Yeah.
what works politically.
Yeah.
Then the timeline and my zid.
Yeah.
Thankfully. अब ये मत बोलिएगा if I praise मोदी जी कि मैं right wing हूँ. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. माने तारीफ करो right wing, बुराई करो left wing, कुछ नहीं है. I'm just telling you
I know.
reality.
Yes, that's how it is. और वो आर्ट हर किसी ने, I mean, people have seen the airport, and I think the first thing anybody has access to, क्योंकि मंदिर तो हर कोई नहीं जा सकता था, but airport जाके आसपास घूम के लोग आ गए थे, and everybody's seen all praises.
And it was a lot of pressure.
I'm sure.
And we had to, I wanted to get people from all over the country. ऐसा नहीं था कि एक ही आर्टिस्ट पकड़ लो चलो, नो. मधुबनी वहाँ पे my art manager अल्ताफ, he went running. अच्छा
Wow.
आर्टिस्ट काम नहीं करेंगे तो he was like principal. I used to ring him up. क्या हुआ आज, कितना काम हुआ, पैसे भी देना है बट काम भी तो कराना है.
सही बात है.
Here there was a return of Lord Ram, which I really wanted to do because I truly believe that, you know, the making of Ayodhya. Now, see, I don't want to stir controversy. I hate controversy.
Yep.
I don't like controversies.
Yep.
So, but it was an iconic moment
It was.
for this civilization. I'm not talking about religion.
Yeah.
It was an iconic moment to have something there. So then, you know, I designed this big painting of the return of Lord Ram. So it is 17 meters by 8 meters. It is viral everywhere, where he's actually returning in his Vahan to. So when you arrive at Ayodhya, that is the first thing you see. So you're capturing
The return.
people. So I'm just very grateful that I got the opportunity
To do this. I'm sure.
So it was like, and the second one is Trichy. Why Trichy? Because, you know, I've done this 120 meter by 100-meter wall, where I have done the entire yatra of Lord Vishnu, which is very important in Trichy. And we had to get boom lifts, cranes, because everybody told me, ma'am, छोड़ दो वो त्रिदेव 300 किलो का है, कैसे आएगा दीवार? अरे छोड़ूंगी मैं,
करूंगी ये,
करना तो है. And then when Modi ji came, he stopped and he looked at everyone and he said, यहाँ सेल्फी बनती है.
wow.
And he took a selfie. I mean, people might say, oh, I said, no, whoever is our prime minister, he
Yeah.
is the most important person for you at that point.
Absolutely.
And today it is him.
Yeah.
So I think that moment and Ayodhya and every airport of mine, I am like, everybody tells me, छोड़ दो. I'm like, नहीं, ये कर दो ठीक, वो कर दो, वो कर दो. और पूरे लोकल आर्टिस्ट को पैसा मिलता है.
Which
What
is the
would you
most
want?
important. Yes. Vocal for local, supporting Indian artisans and of course Indian culture going up on the walls. वो कहते हैं दीवारें कहानी कहती हैं, वो कहानी मासूमा जी लिख रही हैं. अभी भी एयरपोर्ट पे VIP पास से नहीं जाते हो, आप लाइन में लगते हो और प्रॉपर प्रोसेस.
बट मैं VIP हुई नहीं ना. VIP तो एविएशन मंत्री है, एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटीज का सीनियर स्टाफ है. आई एम जस्ट एन आर्ट क्यूरेटर हु लव्स डूइंग व्हाट आई डू. So why should I give myself airs of a VIP?
Or is it because you want to spend time, watch all the work that you've done and then like, अच्छा अब नुक्स निकालते हुए चलते हो, ये ऐसे नहीं था, ये ठीक नहीं है.
हाँ, हर जगह.
हाँ, और फिर वापस उतर के वहाँ पे सुनो we need to go back, get that thing done again.
Absolutely. हर जगह. Like कहीं पर भी मुझे लगता है, सुषमा स्वराज भवन में when I entered, एक छत इस हाइट की थी, माने 10 फीट की छत थी. मैंने कहा ये हो नहीं सकती, ये तो टूटना है. मुझे बोला गया तोड़ के दिखाओ. MEA was up in arms कि तोड़
Yeah.
के दिखाओ. She just an art curator. What is she thinking? मैंने रात में तोड़ दी. तो मुझे पेनल्टी लगी कि भाई अब लगाओ, बिकॉज मोदी जी आ रहे हैं 15 दिन में. तो मैंने वहाँ डोम बनाया, फिर पेंटिंग करी. अब वो पेंटिंग में मज़ा नहीं आया. अब मैं वहाँ नीचे बैठ के मज़ा नहीं आया. My husband was working. He was in the army. He said, listen, when
Yeah.
Modi ji comes, you can't have a white. I said, I'll have a white wall, but I won't have this. रात में I got it painted.
White wall?
I got the roof painted.
Wow.
So the jazz there, he was very angry. He said, what do you think you're doing? This is no joke.
Yeah.
4 days before the PM comes, everything will get. I said, I'm sorry. Again the artist started.
Wow.
And when Modi ji entered, he stopped there. See, 5 सेकंड बहुत कम लगते हैं, but उनका प्रोग्राम सेकंड टू सेकंड चलता है.
Yeah.
He stopped there for 5 seconds and he looked. I wasn't there. I was in the hall, but I was told. He said, बहुत अच्छा.
Wow.
God is in detail, no?
Yeah.
So you have to have OCD.
I always say this, there is कभी-कभी OCD ठीक होता है and yes, God is in the detail because that's where the work is.
डिटेल ही नहीं है तो फायदा क्या है?
Yeah.
और सिस्टम से नहीं चलोगे तो फायदा क्या है?
Yeah.
You know?
मैं समझ आपको डर किस चीज़ से लगता है, मतलब आई थिंक सब कुछ तो मिल रहा है, सब कुछ जैसे हम डिज़ाइन करते हैं वैसे हो रहा है, ऐसा हमें लगता है when we hear stories. But then there is a part of you which only you know. Are you scared of something today? Like, what is your fear?
I know this might sound really strange, but at the heart, if you ask me, I never thought I would be a businesswoman. I knew I would do something, but for me, my family is very important.
Yeah.
So, you know, my only fear always is that I want my family to be healthy.
I think that's the fear. That is the only fear one should have, and it's a good fear to have. I think it keeps you together also.
And God should just bless you. Where you reach, what you do, where you are, where will you be is all rubbish.
Yeah.
You're working. Dreams work if you work. You're working. Maybe it will not come, it will not be the way you want it to be. but it's still such an adventure, no?
Yeah,
You can
absolutely.
still, why not enjoy the process? Why wait कि ये होगा तो मजा करेंगे? So my only fear is that I hope God continues to keep all my loved ones healthy and safe in this crazy world.
Absolutely, is all that matters in this crazy world. सब सही रहे. A lot of women who watch this, and in fact everybody watches this, कई बार हम अपने सपनों को एक स्टेप आगे लेके ही नहीं जा पाते बिकॉज फैमिली क्या कहेगी, क्या मैं कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं. तो सेल्फ डाउट इज समथिंग दैट वुमेन आर, आई थिंक, ये ऊपर से लेकर आते हैं. हम कर भी पाएंगे कि नहीं, सबको ठीक लगेगा कि नहीं. इफ यू कुड जस्ट टॉक टू देम, व्हाट डू वी डू विद द सेल्फ डाउट दैट we always have about what we want to do?
You know, every project I do,
Huh.
and I say it
Yeah.
shamelessly,
Yeah.
every project I do, whether it was Supreme Court,
Yeah.
when Abdul Kalam ji wanted a kutia made, I worked and worked and worked. I used to go in a state bus from Hisar
Yeah.
to Delhi. वो रिकटी सी, खिड़की नहीं, एसी नहीं. मैं जाती थी सैटरडे बिकॉज मेरे हस्बैंड थोड़े फ्री होते थे बच्चों को देखने.
Yeah.
Firstly, I had a support.
Yeah.
Secondly, everybody has doubts. What we women have to do is not to let our doubts,
Yeah.
और कि हम नहीं कर सकते तो let us hide behind कि नहीं हो पा रहा है, नहीं कर पा रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Move beyond. भाई if you try, क्या होगा? नहीं होगा ना. एटलीस्ट खुशी तो मिलेगी कि ट्राई तो
कि
करा.
किया हमने. Yes, absolutely.
ट्राई तो करा. माने द जर्नी विल बी सो मच फन. कुछ नया सीखोगे, अपने आईज में मजा तो आएगा. वाई शुड वी सी होता है या नहीं होता है.
Yeah.
माने मजा तो ये आएगा ना कि करा क्या. लाइक सुप्रीम कोर्ट में दे टोल्ड मी कि मैम प्रेसिडेंट इज कमिंग, उनका कमरा कर दो.
Yeah.
आई कुड हैव आल्सो सेड यार मैं क्यों करूं, ये क्या मेरा काम है, ये लोग खुद क्यों नहीं करते हैं.
सही बात है.
ऐसे छोड़ो, मजा आएगा, चलो करा. प्रेसिडेंट वाज हैप्पी. द चीफ जस्टिस दैट टाइम मिस्टर गोगोई वाज वेरी हैप्पी. दे वर लाइक मैम बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. पीपल आस्क्ड मी तुम्हें क्या मिला. आई सेड मजा मिला,
खुशी मिली.
खुशी मिली.
Yeah.
जब फॉर अस लेडीज हमारा सब में हिलरी क्लिंटन की जब बात हुई, वो क्यों लूज करी थी इलेक्शन. बहुत अच्छा एक मैंने पढ़ा था, एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट ने जब साइकोलॉजी पढ़ी ऑफ विमेन तो उन्होंने ये कहा, और जो मेरी भी गलती थी, आई टोल्ड नहीं आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ यार, आई डोंट वांट टू डू इट, आई डोंट थिंक आई एम गुड इनफ. हम लोग पहले सोचते हैं आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ, whereas men think of course I'm better than you, I'm better than you.
Absolutely. Yes.
जहाँ हम सेल्फ, आज मैं मोटी हूँ,
Yeah.
मैं वो अच्छा, अरे कौन देख रहा है. आप मॉडल हो नहीं ना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. आप पतले हो, आप मोटे हो, आप काले हो, आप गोरे हो, कोई नहीं देख रहा है. आप सिर्फ यू आर ओनली लिमिटेड
Yeah.
by your own fears.
Absolutely.
Any woman, भाई I did it. मेरे पास ना कोई गॉडफादर, कोई ऐसा मेरे फादर के पास करोड़ों या लखपति नहीं थे कि चल ये ले ले, ऐश कर, जा कुछ भी कर. नथिंग. एक फौजी, वो भी ऑनेस्ट फौजी, लिमिटेड तनख्वाह,
Yeah.
करा. बिकॉज गोल सही था. अगर आपका गोल सही है ना,
You do it.
अगर आपको पता है कि मुझे एंड में मुझे क्या चाहिए, खुशी चाहिए, पैसा चाहिए, एंड वर्क टुवर्ड्स इट, क्यों नहीं होगा.
Yeah.
हो ही रहा है. एंड आज के डेट में मैं कहती हूँ, किसी ने मुझे एक बार पूछा कि मैम आर मेन एंड वुमेन इक्वल. आई सेड भारत देश का तो ये हाल है, 6-7 साल में चलता रहा ऐसे तो मेन विल स्टार्ट हमें रिजर्वेशन. सो लिमिट क्या है.
Yeah.
Fears are just illusions.
Yeah.
आपका दिमाग कह रहा है मत करो, लोग क्या कहेंगे. वही
Yeah.
आ गई ना, लोग क्या कहेंगे. अरे लोग कुछ ना कुछ तो कहेंगे, तुम्हें
Yeah.
क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है.
I love it. I think that's the whole idea. हम लोग लोगों से इतने driven रह जाते हैं कई बारी that चीजें अटकी रह जाती है. Dr. Rizvi is like, I can ask you zillion questions and it will be never ending. But last quick questions. One country besides India जिसने आपके वर्क को बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस किया है, या you would want to go back to it time and again? And one state in India.
Oh, I love Angkor Wat. It is my favoriteest place. I keep going back to Cambodia, and I still go back even in the heat, just to walk and see the conservation, see the commitment
Yeah.
to detail,
Yeah.
which is one thing I still feel we need to get in India. That commitment to detail. वो चलता है, अगर हट जाएगा ना, country कहाँ से कहाँ दौड़ेगा.
That attitude of चलता है, yes.
चलता है.
वो थोड़ा सा घपला कर देता है.
और स्टेट तो मैं कहूँगी, आई एम अ साउथ इंडियन फ्रॉम तेलंगाना, एंड फॉर मी आई कैन नॉट गेट ओवर द आर्किटेक्चर ऑफ आवर कंट्री इन द साउथ. यू गो टू त्रिची, you go to Tuticorin, you know there are pillars in the temple,
Yeah.
where if you hear the music. फ्लूट की म्यूजिक आएगी, तबले की म्यूजिक आएगी. ब्रिजेश्वरा टेम्पल है तंजौर में, जिसका शैडो नहीं पड़ता है.
Wow.
आंध्रा में टेम्पल्स हैं, जो मैंने पार्लियामेंट में गैलरी बनाई है मॉन्यूमेंट्स की, वहाँ हर स्टेट का एक मॉन्यूमेंट डाला है, एंड हर यूनियन टेरिटरी का. हर जगह गए हैं. I will keep going back. I mean Tamil Nadu and Andhra, the south of India.
Yeah, it's very rich in architecture. It is. And I think you're right, the detailing. हम यहाँ दिल्ली में भी अगर देखें, the lot of temples, but अगर वो जो एक South Indian temple है या मलाई मंदिर बीच में आता है, it just looks different. It's, I don't know if it's the vibrance, the colors.
And you go there and you see the temple. Just go to the south. Just
Yeah.
go to Tamil Nadu. See the Tanjore temples. Go see Hubli.
Yeah.
Go and see the chariots. I mean, just go and see, and I can't get over them.
And because going back to where we started, आपने एक जगह बोला था कि उन्होंने बोला 308 फॉर्म आपको इतने दिनों में लाने हैं. इंडिया की कोई ऐसी जगह बची है जहाँ अभी तक आप नहीं गए हो?
नहीं.
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 अच्छा, the longest stay या exploring the streets, what city, what art, जहाँ पे आपने सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम निकाला है, which is closest to you also?
I go, there is a place called in Andhra, Masulipatnam, where there is no architecture, but that is where the Kalamkari started.
Yeah.
And Tanjavur. These are the two places. My children से मम्मी से मत पूछो, फिर वहाँ पहुँच जाएगी सबको लेके. तो जब लोग कहते हैं हम स्विट्जरलैंड गए हैं, I've been there. We've been there. I have no joy in going to a place and running to a mall.
Yeah.
You do it in Delhi. Why
Yeah.
do you want and waste your time going to
Yeah. To another mall and doing the same thing.
same thing?
Yeah.
See the architecture, see the beauty, and there is no more beautiful place than India.
And before I let you go, my final question, Dr. Masuma Rizvi, मतलब मैं लोगों को बोलती हूँ, when you meet a successful working woman who's happy, touch wood, and the smile speaks it all, how to be you? मतलब आप जैसा कैसे बना जाए?
मेरे जैसे भाई क्यों बनोगे? हमारा फिंगरप्रिंट यूनिक, हम यूनिक, हम इंडिविजुअल, हम किसी जैसे क्यों बने? हम अपने जैसे बन जाए.
और वो ठीक रहे.
अगर हम छोड़ दें दूसरों को देखना,
Yeah.
दूसरों से सीखना, दूसरों के कपड़ों को देखना, अरे छोड़ो, मैं बस ये समझ लूं कि मैं क्या हूं और मुझे ऊपर वाले ने क्या बनाया है. Because I am unique.
Yes.
I will
Absolutely.
be a success.
Be you, that is the most important question. अब पूछ लेना चाहिए था last question बोल के एक extra bonus. What are we watching next? What is coming next? Manekshaw Center is. और बेलिटा डिजाइन्स कहाँ बिजी है अभी?
अभी जापान में बिजी है. 20 एयरपोर्ट हो गए हैं, बहुत और होने हैं. जापान चल रहा है, राजस्थान में काम चल रहा है.
Nice.
और प्रोजेक्ट जब तक चलेगा नहीं, ख़त्म नहीं होगा, मैं बात नहीं करती हूँ. बट अच्छी बात यह है कि चलते रहना चाहिए, तो ज़िंदगी चलती रहे.
सबसे अच्छी बात है मैम, जो बातें करी है ना वो इतनी गोल्डन है, बिकॉज वो एवरग्रीन है. प्लेसेस कम, प्लेसेस गो, स्टोरीज स्टे. अ लॉट ऑफ इट शेयर्ड, अ लॉट ऑफ इट माइट कम आगे भी. But Dr. Masuma Rizvi, it was a great pleasure to have you.
Thank you so much. You're a wonderful host. You hear, और क्या चाहिए मुझे? सुनती भी हो, you listen and hear.
नो आई लाइक स्टोरीज, और मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ इंसान कहानी और इंसान के पास कहानी, ये दो चीजें हैं, एंड दैट इज व्हाट रन्स द वर्ल्ड.
Absolutely, जिंदगी is, this is your life, this
Yeah.
is your story. Make it king size, बात खत्म.
Absolutely. Thank you for watching this. ऐसे एपिसोड्स और ऐसी कहानी आपको मेरे साथ मिलती रहती हैं. मेरा नाम है दिव्या.